Alright, this is video number 2 for Mr. Amari Bennett. And we're still Unit 4B study guide. And let's go ahead now. So number 11, draw a graph that has x-intercept of -3. The meaning of that one is that look for the -3 on the x-axis. This is the x-axis here. Where's the -3? The negative values are on the left, -1, -2, -3. So make a point there. And the y-intercept is 2. That's a positive 2. This is the y-axis, so the 2 is 1, 2. And then just draw a line that connects them. Kaboom. Okay. What else? Here. Number 8. What point lies on -4, 5, x plus 2? The best way to do this one easily at this point is to use a calculator. Go to the y equals. Delete that one. Type in the question, which is -4 divided by 5x. This is the x here. Plus 2. Second graph. And 0, -5 on the choice letter A. If you go to the tables, I have 0, 2. Here, letter A is 0, -5. So that letter A will be wrong. That's not the answer we're looking for. Letter B is 2, 5. Go to number 2. I see 2, -4. 2 and 0.4. So B is wrong, because if this was a 5, so that's the answer. But this 2 here and 0.4 is not the same thing as B there, so this is wrong. Letter C is 5/18. So let's go to 5. 5 and -2. 8. This is 5 and -18, so that's wrong. You see 5 and -2 in letter D, so 5 and -2 is the correct answer. That's how simple you can do it. Okay. Going back to number 9. What does the graph x equals 6 look like? We mentioned in the first video, x equals to a number is a vertical line with the slope is undefined. So x equals 6 should be a vertical line, okay, that passed through 6, 0 or 0, 6. If we analyze the question, x equals 6, where's the 6 on the x-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6. Draw a vertical line. What is this point, sir? That is 6, 0. So therefore, the answer there should be C. Why not D? Because 0, 6 is right here. This line does not pass through this point. So that's why the answer is C. Where else? This one here. Number 7. What is the equation that matches the graph below? So there are 2 ways. Number 1, I will just plug in the choices in the calculator, and which one will be look like this. That's the best thing. The fastest one right now. Number 2, you have to understand the slope. The slope goes like rise over run. So pick 2 points, this point here and that point. Let's say you need to go up by 1 and then 1, 2, 3. That's why the slope there is 1/3. And the slope 1/3 is the number beside x. That's 3, that's 3, that's 1/3, that's 1/3. So you know the answer is either C or D, not A nor B. Okay, next is that the B is the number where the graph crossed the y-axis. In this problem, the graph crossed on the origin, which is there for B equals 0 there. Which one there is equal to 0 for the B? There's no number here because that means it's plus 0. That's 1. So the answer there is C, because it's 1. If it's just 1, the graph of that one will be something like this, which it cross at 1. Another way to do that one is that use your calculator. Type in your equation, go to the y equals, type in the problem, you will see that 1/3 x, graph it. That should be same thing as the I have here and over there. Next. Let's go to here. Number 16. Okay, this is where every time you're being asked to find the line of best fit or equation, you're gonna use the stat problem, like what we did a while ago in the previous video. So here you're gonna clear the memory by second plus 712 of your calculator. And remember, the height there is your L1 and this is your L2. Okay? What you do there is that hit the stat, press 1, type in 150, enter, 159, enter, 170, enter, 194, enter, 203, enter, 184, enter. Go to the right cursor, 24, enter, 26, enter, 27, enter, 30, enter, 32, enter, 29, enter. Now you do the stat again, go to the right, go to the linreg, press enter a couple of times until you reach calculate, and there you go. You see the 0.13 or 0.14, that should be the number beside X. Look at the choices there. The number beside X that has 0.14 is either C or D. So you know A and B are wrong. And then the value of my y-intercept, the B, is 3.28. 3.28, this is a positive there. So therefore, the answer should be C. Okay? Hope this helped you. Kaboom.